physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
Together, we are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of
Our
course,
humble
Bob.
opinion. Today, this is a video on, it's a series of videos, Brad.
Yes.
That we're doing on joyful joints. We're trying to make our joints happy.
That's right. And there's certain things that you have to do to make a joint happy.
Yeah, or it gets frumpy. So we're going to talk about the neck today. The neck has 14 joints for sure, the facet joints.
Yes, between each vertebra, there's 2 joints, one on each side.
And there's 7.
Yeah, and they're very active every time you move your head.
Yeah, 7 times 2 is 14.
A lot of people don't realize that.
Yeah. So we're going to show you a couple simple exercises. We want to make sure, first of all, that your neck's in proper position, which means when you're off to the side like this, your ear should be right over your shoulder. Don't have it forward like this. Every inch that you are forward of that shoulder, 10 extra pounds of weight is on your neck.
Right.
So if you're 3 inches forward, 3 times 10 equals 30.
Particularly on that lower neck.
Yeah. So in addition to that, proper positioning, you want to make sure you have movement. Joints love movement.
Mm-hmm.
They get very grumpy if they don't have movement.
That's right.
So you don't want to hold it still. We're going to show you one exercise to do. And along with that, stretching is good for joints. Joints like to have full motion.
Right.
So here's the exercise. We're going to have you take your hands. You can put them on the upper trapezius if you want, or you can put them on kind of the lower neck, and you're going to just work on bending the neck back.
Yeah, so the hands and the fingers are supporting particularly those low joints that are more apt and prone for injury and pain.
Now, we chose hands. Sometimes we use a towel, but the hands, you always have your hands with you.
Right.
And if you're at work, you can go ahead and do this one. But the further your neck goes, generally the better the pain feels and the better it gets. So this is a simple exercise, and make that joint healthy and happy, and check out the rest of our series.
That's right.